how to clear Binance app cache. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can clear your Binance application cache. For that, first of all, you need to go to your device settings. Open your device settings, and once you open your device settings, here you need to find the application option. These exact steps may be different depending on the Android model. If you face any trouble finding the specific option, you may also use the search icon presented on the top right or anywhere on your Android screen on this page, and there in the search bar you can search for the option you are looking for. You will simply get the search results and then you will be able to find the application option. Now here you need to scroll down and find applications. Once you find the application option, you need to tap on the option to open it. And once it opens, here you will be able to see all the application that has been installed on your device. From here, you need to find Binance application. Scroll down and find Binance. Once you find the Binance application, tap on it to open it. And once you reach inside it, here you need to find storage option or similar keyword. Once you find the option, tap on it to open it. And here finally, on the very bottom at the right, you will be able to see clear cache icon. Tap on this clear cache icon, and then within a second you will see your cache of Binance application has been successfully cleared. If you want, you may also clear the data by tapping on the clear data option presented at the bottom left. So by following these steps, you should be able to clear your Binance application cache. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.